Hello and welcome back to the quick vlog. In our previous video, we have talked about the string functions. Actually, we have learned 12 string functions, and today we will continue and we will learn up to 25 string functions, which is enough for us to do string manipulation, basic string manipulation in MySQL. Okay, without delaying, let's start our video. If you haven't watched our previous string functions, then you can watch our previous video of yesterday and we will continue from yesterday's functions. Okay, today we will learn about format at first. Select format. It is used to suppose we have a number and we want to format it, but we are talking about a string function, so this will take those numbers as a string and they will be formatted as per our requirements. Suppose I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then after 67, and we have two decimals, so we'll give a requirement and it will start to format in the this form. Okay, it will leave two decimals and it will keep commas uh, separating every three digits or three numbers. Okay, we have next, that is select to base 64. It is used to convert a string into the base 64 format. Base 64 is a type of format, and we can convert that. Suppose hello world, we want to convert hello world into the base 64 format, and it is kind of a code, or it is kind of this kind of words. Okay, we have learned how to change it. Now we will learn how to bring back the same previous word from the base 64 format. Select from base 64 and we will give the code here and it will return us the value of the this one. Okay, this is the open value in viewer. We want to see the value, so we can either choose binary or text, and we have choose text, that is hello world. It was our previous, or it was the required answer. Now we will learn about the, suppose we want to change it to hex code. So select, we will use hex. We will use ABC. Okay, we want the hex code for ABC and it will return a certain value, that is 616263. And if we want to on-hex it, we have uh, a function that is on-hex, and we suppose we have given a value that is 616263. That is the value of ABC. And if we run it, we will get our required answer. We have to see the again in the viewers tab. Okay, we have got ABC. That is our required answer. Now we will learn about the, suppose we want this were from a specific format, that is from base 64 and from hex. And now we want to generate, suppose we want to convert a string into, suppose, decimal format or decimal values. Like we can select and we have a function of convert conv that is used to convert a string. Suppose we have a, and we this is a 16 base format, that is, we know that alphabets or A B C D E F, those are from hex. base, and we want to convert it into decimal. That's why we are keeping the base of decimal, that is 10. We will get the result as 10 because after the uh, or we can say the base of a in decimal is 10, or the value of a in the base 10 is 10. And if we want to keep it into the binary, suppose we can keep 2 and we can give it as this one, it will give the us the binary code. Basically it will give the binary code of 10 because it will be changed into the decimal, and decimal will again be changed into binary. So we have got a value in decimal as 10, and we have got the value of 10 in binary as 1010. And let's use some select. Suppose we want to know the ASCII value. ASCII value of A. This is for ASCII, to know the ASCII value, and we will get 97 as the value of A. And suppose we want the value of uh, the initials only. So will use select ORD, and suppose we have a word hello. Now it will only check, or it will only return the ASCII value of H, the initial character value, that is 104. Okay, it was about the ASCII value. And ASCII value is basically the numeric value, or a standard numeric value of every character. And suppose we want to convert the binary we want to convert some decimal into binary, we can use uh, bin function, and we can give a number that is 5. I have given it as 5. And suppose sorry, we haven't given a semicolon, so it has occurred an error. Okay, the value, or the binary value of 5 is 101. And suppose we want to use some symbols, or some specific characters, that is escape special characters. They are like inverted comma, double inverted comma, and many more. So if we want those in our result or in our query, then we need to use quote as the function. It will enable, or it will allow all the special character to be shown in our result. Otherwise, it won't show the result. Suppose I have uh, it is, suppose I will give some random character. It is, or suppose I will give another inverted comma as random character. It is a video. Okay, suppose this was our string. After we do this, it will show us the value as it is, with including the symbol or special codes. And we have next value, or next suppose we have next function as select. Okay, we will use our previous results from ASCII, and we will use in this function. Okay, we will use char function. It is used to convert the ASCII code into uh, the characters. Like suppose we have converted ABC as ASCII. Okay, it is 97. So if we keep the 97 here, it will show the value as, oh, this 97 is of A, I guess. It should be suppose we will separately calculate and so in the okay, this was the ACI of 90 A only. Suppose we want of B, so we will sorry, it is a fixed code. We will find of B, that is 98, 98 comma, finally we will see of C, that is 99. Okay, it is our X code, sorry, ASCII code and ASCII value, and we want to see the result. Then it will give us the values as ABC. Okay, we have got the value as ABC. So it is used to convert the ASCII into character. You can convert a single character also. You can convert whole set of characters as well. We have a function export underscore set, and it is used to convert the bit values into characters or strings. Like suppose I have, or I will give a certain number. Okay, I will give 5. Now it will be converted into a binary code, that is 101. Okay, I will write the result there. And suppose I want to give, or I want to generate or I want to place these characters in those bits. Suppose I want to place Y and I want to place N. Okay, and we need a separator as well. Separator is used to basically separate uh, the bits values, and I want it to be a 4-bit long, or I want it to be 4-character long. Okay, that is this. So since we have 3 bits only here, because the value of 5 is of 3 bits, we will add an extra bit, that is 0. It will not affect the overall value because 0101 is still 5. And if we execute it, we will get a value, that is yn 4 bits long or 4 strings long, or it have 4 individual characters, and we have a separator, that is comma, that will separate each bit. And this y is represented as 0 because the value of 5 is 1010, and this y is represented as 0, and this n is represented as 1. So in the place of 0 we will get the value y, and in the place of 1 we will get the value of n, that is yn and yn, and the separator is comma. If we just swap the values, suppose if we keep the ny, it will just we have a error here, it will just give us the opposite value, that is ny and ny. It was our export set. Now our next string is select weight. It is a bit confusing, but it is important type of uh, functions that is used to. It is used to basically generate a certain value that is equivalent to the weight of the string, or equivalent to the weight of the given characters here. Suppose I am giving as ABC. Now it will generate a certain code or a certain value that is equivalent to the weight of the string ABC. Okay, we need to see it into the viewers tab. Okay, this is the text value or text equivalent value of ABC. If we see in the binary, it will give us this, and it is the uh, equivalent value of that word ABC. And suppose if we want a number, it is used as a string here because we have kept into the single inverted comma. Okay, we will generate the value of 0101. Again, we need to see in the viewer tabs, and okay, this is the required answer. Okay, This is the value of 0101. Suppose if we remove 0, what we will get? Okay. Okay, we have got a different value, and we have again got here also different value. Okay, this was our today's videos. It was on the uh, string functions or remaining string functions. We have covered 25 string functions, which is enough for basic string manipulation. I hope you have got some knowledge on string function. If you have any suggestions, any query, you can leave in our comment box. Like, share, and subscribe our YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you.